Hey y'all, it's T-Dub coming at you again. Tonight we caught frogs last night, cleaned them this morning, so now I'm gonna do a clean and cook. But the clean part will get edited later, but I'm doing a cook part now. Anyway, yeah. By the time y'all see this video, y'all have seen the cleaning part, and then this will be the cooking part. But anyway, this is I got all the frog legs. I used the backs and the fronts. I got the front legs, the back legs, and all the side meat. As you can see right there, got all that floured up. I got my grease right here getting ready. As soon as it hits 350, I'll start on it. I'll start putting these frog legs in there, but till then, I'll bring y'all back. So, for y'all, it'll be just a second. For me, it's gonna be about 10 minutes. See you in a minute. All right, folks. Fixing to start cooking these frog legs. Got the grease at 350. Put them in there and let them cook. This may change everything from now on if I keep them all or not. Usually I just keep the legs. So we'll see what happens. It was my turn to keep them this time. Usually me and my buddy, when we go, we'll take turns. I've given to him the last couple times, so last night was my turn to keep them. So we'll see how many we get next time. Of course, the next load will go to him. But that's how we do things down here. Where we from? We just gonna cook here and let these get good and brown. And I'll be back with y'all in just a few minutes. Alright, we still cooking here. We're cooking up nicely. It don't take too long for frog legs to get done either. Move my thermometer. Turn my fire down just a little bit. I don't know what the president's eating tonight, but I bet it ain't good as this. Get them boys cooked. I'll be back with y'all in just a few. Alright, the first batch is almost done. I did put another leg in there right there, but this first batch is almost done. They say when they float, they're done. Y'all leave in the comments below if that's true or not. They say if fish float, it's done. They say if frog legs float, they're done. So we're gonna find out. Y'all leave it in the comments below if y'all know that to be true or not. I know that guy ain't done, they just put him in there. These other ones, I believe they're close to being done. If y'all hadn't subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe. It don't cost you a thing to like, share, or subscribe. And hit that notification button, and you'll get notified every time I put a new video on. I'm fixing to start having a lot of fishing videos because it's spring now, and fixing to start having a lot of new springtime videos. Turkey season starts this coming weekend, so we might maybe have a turkey video coming up. We'll all just have to see how it goes, but that's my plan anyway. That's my plan. I hope to be able to bring y'all some better hunting videos this coming year. If all goes well, I'm gonna have a new camera. These GoPros, they just don't cut it for me. I just ain't happy with them. They overheat, especially the 10s or this 9. They overheat. Batteries, I guess, I don't know if it's the battery overheating or what, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna order me a new camera here pretty soon, and try to get y'all a little better content and footage of different things. Okay, let me put another leg in there, another shoulder, another leg, another shoulder, another leg, another shoulder, another shoulder. I'm gonna wash my hands right quick. We got Miss Donna over there washing dishes. I mess them up, she cleans them up. Bless her heart. I don't know if y'all can see that right there, but that looks like pure goodness right there. Pure goodness. But anyway, yeah, like I was saying, fixing to start having a lot more fishing videos coming up. And maybe hunting videos. If I can see a turkey. I know there's plenty down there, but that don't mean I can see them. Always down there during regular gun season. In fact, I killed one this past gun season. And down there in the club I'm in. I'm in a club down here called Flat Branch Hunting Club. Anyway, I'll see y'all back in a few minutes. Alrighty then, we got the last little bit that I'm gonna fry right now in there. And we'll sit down here at the table. Once it cools up, well, some of them will be cool enough. Do a little taste test here. Alright, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. This is I guess you call them the back strap of the frogs. Some of them. That's the legs here, but some pieces of them the back straps. Push this forward backwards. Leave that right there. Well, about not there. Leave that in there. Right there. Anyway, Roger, thank you, bud, for letting me keep them last night. It's my turn, but thank you. And still got that much left in here. Quite a bit yet left in here. I'll cook that tomorrow probably. But anyway, anywho, I'm fixing to sit down here at the table with them, and we'll see you get a little taste test here. I never eat the front legs or the, I guess, the back straps maybe. Anyway, I'll see y'all back here in a minute when I get to the table. Got a nice little plate of frog legs here. Trying to give them the old try. See what they're all about. I know I've eaten them before, but this particular batch, you never know when they're gonna be tender. You never know when they're gonna be tough. Now, all I did was flour these, and they are very crunchy. I don't know why that flour is so crunchy, but might be because the frog legs was a little damp whenever I put the flour in them, so that might be why they got a little crunchy. If y'all know the reason why, let me know in the comments below. But anyway, they're pretty good. Very tender, but crunchy. Nothing but bone. Now let's try the big part here. The fatty part. This is the big part of it. Perfect. Yes, sir. Got old trusty canine by my side. But anyway, yeah, these are good. My next cook and clean video might be with catfish. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Please subscribe. Hit that like button and hit that bell icon so y'all get notified every time I put a video out. I'd like to get all the subscribers I can, but I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna keep it 100% real. Y'all had till then. Y'all have a good one, and here's to you. See y'all.